Hi guys, welcome to Fahmina's creation. We are at part 2 of interlocking mosaic crochet tutorial. So if you haven't watched part 1, please go back and watch that first. We were at row 15. We are working with color B. Attach the color with the very first chain, through slip stitch, chain 1, and in the very same chain we are doing a single border single crochet. Now next 8 chains again, we are doing 8 double crochet. So move to the next chain. I know for double crochet we go 2 rows below, so that's 1 2, then 2 rows below and find the front loop and start doing our double crochet. In the next loop from the same row we are doing another double crochet. Just repeat it for 6 more times. It's done. Now for the next 3 chains we are doing 3 single crochet. So move to the next chain, do a single crochet. For next 17 chains we are doing 17 double crochet. So move 2 rows below, find the front loop to do your double crochet for the next 17 loops from that loop. And for the next 3 chains we are going to do 3 single crochet. This 1, 2 and 3, and now 1 double crochet, and we are back to the border single crochet again. So 1 border single crochet, 1 chain to tighten your project and cut your yarn. That's the end of row 15. We are at row 16 now. From this row we are going to use both the color A and C for the even number of rows, for few rows until 24 I guess. So how I'm going to use the pink color within the row is that I'm going to adopt tapestry crochet technique. Like tapestry crochet, I'm not going to carry along the pink thread all the way to throughout the row or for the whole project. Instead I will just cut this thread like this in small pieces, because it will be in small pieces. As you can see, only few stitches in pink. So I'll cut the yarn like this as in small pieces and just attach it with the blue color where it's needed. So let's start row 16. First I'm going to attach the color blue with the very first chain of the project with a slip stitch and then chain 1, and in this same chain I'm also doing a border single crochet, followed by 8 single crochet in the next 8 chains. So that's 1 7 8. In the next 3 chains I'm going to do 3 double crochet. So we are working on 3rd double crochet now. So I've done the first 2 steps, and in the last steps I'm going to attach the pink color yarn, because in the next 3 chains I'm going to do 3 single crochet in color pink. So here I'll pull up a loop in pink color and pull it through both loops in my crochet hook. So that's attached now. So now while I'm going to do my stitches, I'm also going to weave in this loose end. You can do it in a later stage, but I just prefer to do it as I go along. So in the next stitch I'm going to do a single crochet in color pink or color C. So that's 1. The next chain another single crochet, and in the next chain another single crochet. But I know after this I'm going to start working with color blue, so I'm going to pick up drop the color pink and pick up color blue and finish the last step of single crochet with color blue. So that's done. Now in the next 14 chains I'm going to do 14 single crochet in color blue. So move to the next chain and start doing your single crochets. And while I'm doing my chains, single crochets, I'm still carrying the weave in, carrying the loose end, and I'm going to do that for a few more stitches until I be satisfied that it's weaved in properly. And 14. For the next 3 chains, I'm going to do 3 double crochet. In my next chain, I'm going to do a single crochet. And finally, in my border chain, I'm going to do a border single crochet, then chain 1 to secure my project. So that's the end of row 16. We are at row 17 now. Is color B or white. First of all, attach it with the slip stitch, then chain 1, and in the same corner or border chain, the border single crochet. Now for next 8 chains, I'm going to do 8 double crochet. So move to the next one, start doing a double crochet, next front loop, another double crochet. So just go ahead and do that for 8 times. 8 double crochet done. For the next 6 chains, I'm going to do 6 single crochet. So move to the next chain and start doing your single crochets. Now for the next 5 chains, I'm doing 5 double crochet. Start from the very next chain. So that's 1, 2, 5. The next chain, I'm going to do 1 single crochet followed by 8 double crochet in the next 8 chains. In the next 3 chains, do 3 single crochet. So that's 1, 2, 3, and then 1 double crochet followed by the border single crochet and chain 1. End of row 17. We're at row 18 now, and we'll start with color A or color blue. First of all, attach it with the very first chain with a slip stitch, followed by chain 1, and then another border single crochet, all in the same chain space. Now we're going to do 8 single crochet in the next 8 chains. That's 1, 8 done. The next 3 chains, I'm doing 3 double crochet. 1. I'll start the 3 which will look color blue, but I'll leave the last step because in the next chains I'm going to start working with color pink. So that's why I'm going to get a loop on my hook in color pink and then pull it through both the loops that I had in my crochet hook. Now in the next 3 chains I'm going to do 3 double crochet. And again, while working on the stitches, I'm carrying along my loose end and also the blue yarn. Three double crochet done. Now the next 2 chains we are going to do 2 single crochet. That's 1. That's the second one. In the next stitches I'm going to start working on blue, so I have dropped the color pink and picked up the color blue and get a loop, pull it through both loops in my crochet hook. So now next 3 chains I'm going to do 3 single crochet in color A, now color blue, 1, 2 and 3, followed by a double crochet, then 8 single crochet again. We're doing the rest of our project in color blue only. Eight single crochet done. Now I'm going to do 3 double crochet in the next 3 chains. That's 1, 2 and 3. Then 1 single crochet in the next chain, and we are at the border again, so border single crochet followed by chain 1 to finish row 18. We are at row 19 now, and we'll start with color B or white. Slip stitch followed by chain 1 and border single crochet all in the corner chain of the project, followed by 8 double crochet in the next 8 chains, eight single crochet in the next 8 chain space this time. So that's 1, 2, 8 single crochet done, followed by 2 double crochet in the next 2 chain space. That's 1, 2, 3 single crochet in the next 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, 6 double crochet in the next 6 chains, 1, 6 double crochet. Now 4 single crochet in the next 4 chains, 1, 4, 1 double crochet in the next chain, and at the border again, so border single crochet chain 1 to secure our work. End of row 19. Row 20, we are starting with color A. Attach it with the very first chain of the project row with a slip stitch followed by chain 1 and then a border single crochet in the same chain. Now we are going to do 7 single crochet in the next 7 chain space. So that's 1, 7. So before I finish the 7th single crochet, I'm going to pick up color pink, loop from color pink and pull it through both loops to finish off 7th chain. And for the next 2 chains, I'm going to work in color pink again. 2 single crochet in the next 2 chain spaces using color pink or color C. So that's 1, that's 2, but I won't finish the steps. I'll pick up color blue now and drop the color pink because next stitch would be in color blue. 2 single crochet in color pink done, and in the next 3 chains I'm going to do 3 double crochet in color blue. Third double crochet, I'm not finishing again, instead I'm picking up the color pink because in the next 4 chains I'm going to do 4 double crochet in color pink. So that's 1, 4 double crochet done in color pink. Now in the next 2 chains I'm going to do 2 single crochet in color pink. So this is the last single crochet in color pink. So I'll do first 2 steps in color pink and then I will drop the pink yarn, pick up the blue yarn, get a loop and pull the loop through both loops. Now for the next 3 chains I'm going to do 3 double crochet in color blue. For the next 6 chains I'm going to do 6 single crochet, 6 single crochet, and now 3 double crochet in the next 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. In the next 2 chains I'm going to do 2 single crochet and then border single crochet, chain 1. End of row 20. Please watch part 3 or final part for the rest of the tutorial. Thank you. Bye now.